In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Perplexity Pro credits. If you rely on Perplexity for research or creative work, knowing exactly how many credits you have left helps you plan sessions and avoid surprises, especially toward the end of a billing cycle. Start by opening your browser and heading to Perplexity A. You can do this on desktop or mobile. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to log in before you can view account details. Once you're on the home page, look to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see the profile icon, typically a small avatar or your initial. Click that to open your account menu. On some smaller screens, this may be tucked behind a menu, but the icon in the lower left is the quickest path on desktop. In the account menu, click Usage and Credits. This takes you to your usage dashboard where everything related to your credit balance lives. Give the page a second to load, and you'll see several sections that break down your credits clearly. First, look for available usage-based credits. Think of these as your live, spend-as-you-go pool. This number reflects what you can use right now for queries and advanced features tied to usage. If you're running a lot of complex searches, this is the figure that will drop fastest. Next, check plan credits. These are the credits that come included with your Perplexity Pro subscription. They usually reset on your billing date and are designed to cover your typical monthly use. This section helps you understand how much of your plan's allowance you've consumed this cycle. Below that, you'll see purchase credits. These are any extra credits you've bought on top of your plan. They're useful for busy periods when your research needs spike. This line item shows exactly what's left from those add-ons so you can pace yourself. You may also see bonus credits. These are promotional or complimentary credits Perplexity occasionally provides. They're handy to have and will be used according to the platform's rules, but you should treat them as temporary extras. Finally, check total available credits. This is the sum that matters most day to day. It combines your remaining plan, purchased, bonus, and usage-based amounts so you have a single, up-to-date snapshot of what you can spend. A few quick tips as you review. Refresh the page if you've been actively querying to make sure the numbers are current. Keep an eye on your billing date so you know when plan credits reset, and notice which types of tasks consume credits faster so you can budget accordingly. That's it. Now you know exactly where to find and understand your Perplexity Pro credits.